ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
I had the chance of, being part of the AVC team, arranging these mics. And the greatest opportunity being in the AVC team was to put the mic for Bhagwan in the summer vacation when he comes. April, Ram Navami, Ugadi, hopefully Ishwarama Day. 6 of us boys are there. So we want summer festivals in Vrindavan so that we can keep mic. Because only when you're in your third UG, you get the chance to put mic for Swami. In first UG, you have to just observe. Junior most you are. In second UG, you get promoted. For Anil Kumar sir, you can keep mic. You can see Swami. In third UG, you will get to put for Swami. And that year, if Swami decides to hold Ugadi in Parthi and all, gone. Your chance is gone. So you see how intensely Vrindavan would always make you pine. I feel Vrindavan is meant to make people pine, whether in Dwapara Yuga or in Kali Yuga. In Dwapara Yuga also, he made people pine. Now also, Swami makes us pine. So that time in the AVC room, I found one book. I still remember the name of the book, but after that day, I have never found that book. Possibly it's in the Vrindavan library. I don't know, but it was called Len Chibbey's Dreams. Len Chibbey, Chibbey, Dreams. So this is the person writing a fictitious dialogue between himself and God. So I simply opened the book. And you know what is Len asking God? What I asked Swami. Len is saying, God, let the whole world believe in you. God says, yes, that's what I also want. Simple, God, you do a miracle. You do a massive miracle, whole world will believe in you. So I said, wow, Len, you're asking the same thing that I asked Swami. God says, yes, you tell me what miracle I should do, Len. I will do that miracle. Len says, see, it should be something that the whole world will notice. Like what? See, God, morning when they wake up, let the sky not be blue. Make it some blackish, purple, magenta, something like that, And not only sky, ocean also like that. You just get up and one fine morning, it's simply like that. That's grand miracle. God says, Len, that will not work. Why? Sometime back I had asked, and that fellow told me, you make the whole sky blue. I did it, and today you got some refraction, diffraction theory to explain that. Every day I do miracles. You give some theory. If you don't find theory, you will call it unexplained, yet to be discovered. You'll never say it's a miracle of God. Len, if you don't have faith, even a miracle will become a coincidence, unexplained mystery, or something like that. And then God goes on to say, see, Len, at this very moment, so many people are not able to breathe. They're dying because of shortness of breath. That's a fact. The average death rate in the world is 4,000 people per second. Every word I speak, 4,000 people are dying. Not because of what I'm speaking, that's the statistics, So, the very fact that you are able to breathe, why are you breathing? How is your heart beating? Somebody's heart simply stops, your heart's beating. Len, I am doing all that. If you have faith, every moment of your life is an experience because your heart is beating. Why is it beating? Why is it stopping? Nobody can explain. Science will explain what, when, where, how. When it comes to why, they don't know. They just don't know why. The why is me. That's what God is telling Len, and I felt that is the thing. That is the thing. Have faith. And then the experience will automatically come.
Truth is my